Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It literally just ended right away. So we had problems with that, but good thing it happened at the beginning rather than midstream. That would have been bad. Hey, what's up, Alex? What's up, Jasmine? What's up, Chaz? Good morning, everybody. What's up, M5? Yeah, I don't know what happened, but thankfully it happened at the beginning of the stream rather than midstream. Dude, when it's midstream, it's so annoying. But it should be fixed. I don't know why it did that right there. What's up, Beyond Limits? What's up, Vlad? Yeah, it's this. The last 2 weeks particularly have been pretty rough. This month as well for a lot of people, but especially this week and last week. These are big candles, guys. These are big candles. 50. Yeah, these are big moves. So we're definitely sizing down. We only have $264 left. We're still going strong. We're gonna go in with what? 3 micros. We'll see. What's up, Alex? Doing good, man. How you doing, brother? What's up, Shino fan? Good morning. Good morning. Buenos dias. Oh yeah, we're back. We're back. The market makers cannot stop us, guys. We're back stronger than ever. These ones are down 600. These challenges. Oh man, we got bad yesterday. Yeah. Market manipulation, insider trading. Alex, we haven't played that song in so long, man. I forgot what it sounded like. Champions. We need to be back. Gotta get back on the saddle, man. We gotta end this losing streak. What's up, Justine? Right? What's up, brother? Yeah, we gotta play that champion song, guys. But we gotta earn it. We gotta earn it first. I mean, yeah, M5 maybe. I mean, he tweeted yesterday, and it was like a 900.5 minute candle. I've never seen that before. I've never seen a 900.5 minute candle. That was crazy. What's up, boys? Guy, what's up, brother? Submarina? Yeah, pretty rough recently, the last 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm on a little losing streak with these accounts. Nice, Wise Guy. Great job, man. Yeah, we gotta adapt to these markets. I'm noticing my stops are too small. Too small. Most of the time, right idea, just wrong stop loss areas. Guys, remember, we always get stopped out on our first trade. We always get stopped out on our first trade. Can we talk? Yeah. He wants to go back there. He wants to make another double comeback. He wants to let everyone know that he's the real champion. Guys, this account was the $2 account. He's still alive. He's still alive. He's still going, man. He's still going. Marina, yeah. March and April I lost a lot as well last year, and that's when he was announcing a lot of tariffs and stuff. And now, like, the war with Iran, around this time as well. Then we had massive sell-offs last year, like big sell-offs, and then we had massive recovery the next few months and hitting all new all-time highs. Like Palantir hit like 200 a share or something, 210. I was like, my gosh, it more than doubled. M5, yeah, 1,500 points is crazy. Yeah, Gino fan, we're just trying to stay alive, stay in the game. Yes, Marina, we got to get back strong. Like nothing happened, guys. We're back in the game. What's up, Tommy? What's up, brother? Slow and steady wins the race, Tommy. Slow and steady, man. That's good you're up on your funding, man. 3 grand is a lot on a 50K. That's a lot on a 50K. So, good job, Tommy. Guys, we gotta get our lick back. We gotta get our lick back. Like, yeah, these were big candles right here. 187. I mean, these are like 70, 80 point candles. 60 points. This one was like 150 on this candle. Right now we're slowing down, but they're still relatively big. Almost 30 points on this little candle right here. Thank you, Alex. 20 micros, Tommy? That will do it, man. 75 point short. Let's go. Two minis. Nice M5. Slow and steady, brother. Because you need to trade those for 5 days. MyFundedFutures is coming out with a new plan on Tuesday, apparently. Apparently it's 1 day pass and payouts every 2 days. I don't know, we'll see. There probably will be payout caps, obviously. I don't know, but we'll see. That sounds pretty good. 1 day pass and payout in 2 days. We shall see. We shall see. But yeah, guys, we gotta lock in. We're on thin ice right now. We're on very, very thin ice with this account. 3 micros, that's basically like 2 bad trades to blow this account. 5 micros right now is too much with $260. That's literally 1 bad trade. Hey, where do you think we're going, guys? We're thinking we're going long or bearish? Bullish or bearish? I do like this price action better than last week, though. Last week was really, really tough. This week has been better. Even though we lost yesterday, it's better. Sketches. Yeah. Trump, dump, and pump. I mean, he did that with his freaking meme coin, bro. He dropped his meme coin and dropped it. What, it went like $50, $60. What was it? Trump called Trump coin? And now it's at $3. $3. Massive. Massive. Rug pull. Where is it? Oh, damn Trump coin. Official Trump. $3.28 a share. That's so bad. Yeah, it came out a year ago, guys. Thank you, David. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing as always. Means a lot. Yeah, can we talk? Yeah, a lot of people like 100x their investment. It was crazy. But a lot of people lost a lot of money on that as well. So a lot of people made money and a lot of people lost money on that. Damn, it's been a year since he dropped that. Dude, time freaking flies, man. My gosh. Guys, we're about to be in April. What's going on? In 1 week, we'll be in April. Big green candle coming in here. RB, no. No, I don't like crypto. I don't like crypto. I'd much rather invest in like actual stocks. And Nvidia is 175 a share. Palantir is 154. Yeah, a lot of people invest into crypto, but me personally, I'm not really a fan of it. But champions, we gotta earn that champion song back, guys. We gotta get it back. We gotta get it back strong on deck. Hey, I went on a run last week for 2 miles. Felt good. When did I run? Sometime last week I ran. Then yesterday I ran a mile. That felt good. Yeah, I'm keeping myself accountable, guys. Remember RB Trades, I gotta keep myself accountable. Freaking, I haven't ran in like 2 months since last week. And then when I ran on last week and then yesterday, you feel really good after, honestly. Like, you feel like really good. I felt like happy and like chill. Like relaxed. Actually not bad. Alright, where are we going? We're bullish, bearish, or rangish? M5, that is quite a return, man. That is quite a return. That's like almost 300x, 250 or something. 260. Joshua, yeah, the first day is always bad when you haven't ran in a while. It's like, dude, you feel like so slow and sluggish, and then it's like so hard, and then you feel so sore. But then once you start running, you're like, your body gets used to it really quick. It's like same thing like when like working out for the first time in a while. Oh man, guys, if you haven't did legs in a very long time, like a few months, and then you just did like a really hard leg day, like squats and a bunch of other stuff on the first day, oh man, you can't even walk the next day. You're literally looking like you got shit in your pants walking down the stairs. It's bad. So the first thing is to get used to it. Man, you're like walking down, you're like everything hurts. You're like your whole legs are cramped. RB Trades, yeah, I gotta keep myself accountable, man. And I actually feel really good after the run, so I'm gonna start doing them. I'm gonna try to do them more often, like 2 times a week at least. Yeah, because there's a nice area where it's like nice to run. It's like all nature and shit. It's pretty nice. Can we talk? Yeah, I'm gonna learn that. I'm gonna work on that soon. M5, yeah. I mean, there's crazy investments like that. But then you gotta also think about all the people that lost money on Polymarket, you know? I mean, it's literally gambling. It's kind of sad now. Like, there's so many, like, freaking gambling ads on everything I watch now, and I'm like, it's so bad. Especially for the younger generation, because the younger generation is, like, hooked on that stuff. They like the dopamine rush and all that. Like, when I'm watching the UFC, like, all the commercial and ads are, like, freaking betting ads and gambling stuff, and I'm like, it's just so annoying. I'm like, whatever. Turtle Power, 5 miles a day is crazy, man. If you're running 5 miles a day, good job, bro. So, yeah. Good job on that, man, if you're running 5 miles. The most I ran in one time was 6 miles, and I was freaking tired. I had, like, my feet hurt. I was like, oh my gosh. So, good job, Turtle Power. Tommy, yeah, I mean, we are gambling, yeah. We are, we're financial investors, guys. We're market predictors. So, yeah, you're gambling. No, I'm a market predictor. Gambling. Right. Joshua, isn't that like 3 miles for a 5K? I did a 5K, 3 miles. 3.1 miles. It's 3.1. Can't forget that 0.1. It wasn't too bad. I was keeping like a 10-minute pace on that one. Dude, I don't know how people can run long distance and keep like a 7-8 minute pace. I'm like, jeez. Good morning, PDG. Warhawk, yeah. Guys, we gotta go on runs. runs when we break our rules. Yeah, if we all freaking break our rules, we all gotta go on a run. Gotta go on a run. Joshua, that's a marathon is 20... I think it's 26.1 miles, right? That's a marathon. $26.2 miles. Yeah, we should all just run together as a group. Can we talk? If I haven't ran in a while and I ran like 3-4 miles, yeah, I'll sometimes get a blister on my foot. But like 1 to 2 miles, I can run fine. Like no blisters, it's fine. Sorry to hear that, PTG, but at least you pulled out 120 grand, yeah. That's pretty good, but yeah, it sucks you lost it, man. Yeah, that's annoying how they eval banned you, bro, really. Because then you could just buy more accounts right now, but... At least you pulled out 120 grand, PTG. Not a lot of people can say that. Yeah, M5, well, I'm just doing it for, like, long-term health. Like, I realize in my life, I don't want to be a bulky bodybuilder-looking dude, like... That's all stiff and shit. I want to be like lean and healthy, but like very strong. More like an athlete, you know what I'm saying? And running is a great part. Like if you look at those UFC fighters, a lot of them are freaking jacked. And they do, some of them lift weights, but not like bodybuilding style. And they do like a ton of cardio and all that, and they're freaking yoked. Like the main event on Saturday, that Russian dude was freaking jacked. I was like, oh my gosh, this dude looked like he's blasted on roids. Looked like he came out of Chernobyl or something. I was like, damn, he's freaking jacked. And he can like 5-minute rounds, no problem. Cardio is good for you. Yeah. Good morning, Tuxin Kid. How you doing, brother? $3K in 15 minutes, Warhawk? Nah, that's crazy. That's 5 minutes a mile. No, wait, no. How long is a 3K? Is that half a mile? No. Wait, what? I don't know. Triple four, that's a win, man. You're up on your funder, bro. Especially with the week recently. Like, this has been a really bad week, honestly. Like, last 2 weeks. So if you're up on your funded triple four and you can make it a payout, that's a win, really. Lock it in. Lock in, triple four. Like I said, triple four, you're doing a lot better, man, honestly. So I'm proud of you. But, like I said, don't base your emotions on if it was a winning day or a losing day. It's just if you follow your rules. If you followed your rules and it was a losing day and it just didn't work out, then that's a win. Shino fan, damn, 26 miles. Congratulations. Not a lot of people can do that, man. Really. My friend, he's really into running, and you gotta prep for that stuff. Like, he hasn't ran a full marathon, but he runs like 5, 10, and sometimes 15-mile runs. Like yesterday, he went on a 9-mile run. He the one that kind of got me into running. Yo, that's the thing. I don't want to be, like, so young, and then I get freaking tired walking up a hill, you know what I'm saying? So I want to get my cardio up. Like, you know, like, before, you know, I walk up the hill, I'm like all freaking tired and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm like, dude, this is not good. Like, I gotta do some cardio. Like, I can run a 1 mile without stopping. Last week on Thursday, though, I was stopping on my second mile. I wasn't tired, but I got cramped really bad. I was like, my gosh. First mile was completely fine, but that second mile, I was like, freaking cramp city, man. Well, M5, yeah, if you're really skinny, yeah, I mean, and it depends on your goal. Yeah, like we said, like if you're looking to build muscle and all that, then yeah, just like eat more and lift a bunch of weights. But if you're trying to be like healthy and like lifestyle and all that, cardio and lifting weights, that's a good combo. I still lift weights. I'm still gonna lift weights. I love lifting weights. Yesterday was like back and biceps, forearms. Dude, I gotta get the arm wrestling forearms on. RB Trades, I hate running too, man, but you gotta run, man. It's really good for you. RB Trades, if you break your rules, go on a mile run. Yeah, if you break your rules, man, go on a mile run. And there's also, not a lot of people talk about, there is so many health benefits to literally just walking. Like, straight up, just walking. Especially, like, older people. Like, it's really good for them. Like, there is so many health benefits to literally just walking. So I've been walking a lot. Dude, I think TJR walks a lot too, because I've seen some of his videos and he's like literally making videos while he's walking. Like a few months ago. What's up, Eddie? What's up, brother? Triple four. Really be disciplined on that payout, brother. I want to see you get that payout, man. Really. Good job on the funding, though. Oh yeah, triple four. I mean, everyone sizes. A lot of people size up on evals, so you're just trying to get them done, really. M5. I think a marathon is 26 miles. That's a lot. That's a long time. That's probably like a few hours at least of just running. Yeah, that's a long time. Yeah, that's like probably like 4 or 5 hours of running, maybe. No, if I just start with a half scoop. I used to take pre-workout, but I stopped taking it. But I will have like a shot of espresso or something sometimes when I'm tired. But the pre-workout, man, yeah, you shouldn't worry about it. Just start with like a half scoop, M5. You should be fine. I mean, it depends how your body is with caffeine. Like, I think my body got used to caffeine, which is not good. It's not good. Sorry to hear that, RB Trades. Well then, yeah, just keep walking, RB Trades. Because walking is king, honestly. Literally just walking. Yeah, sometimes I'll fast. Intermittent fasting is good, yeah. Hey, shout out to Edward's wife, Mariah, who's pregnant. So congratulations, Edward and Mariah, on that baby. That's a big step in your life, man. So congratulations, God bless, from Germany. So, love to hear that. Yeah, M5. No, people think, oh, marathon's not long. I'm like, dude, try running 3 miles. Try running 3 miles. A marathon is 26 miles. It's 13 times more than 3 miles. Not a lot of people can run 3 miles, too. Nah, a marathon is hard. You can't just walk in and be like, I'm going to run a marathon today. You literally got to prep for months. Bro, how do you do a 10-day water fast? My goodness. Trades, how are you still alive, bro? My biggest water fast was 2 days. And I was getting hangry on the second day, man. I was freaking tired. I was angry. I was like hangry. I was like, I want some food. Nah, that's great. 10-day water fast. My gosh. My original goal was 3 days, but I didn't do it. I only did 2 days. I did 2 full days without eating. Just straight water. Yeah, Shino fan. Yeah, because if you average like 10 minutes a mile, 11, 12, yeah, you should have done around 5 hours. My gosh. Yeah, Jesus Christ is King. Yep. Amen. God bless. He did do 40. Dude, that's crazy though. 10 days with no food. I couldn't do that. 10 days with no food is crazy. I'd be going to Lulu and stuff. I'd be like walking around looking like a zombie. Cause I get hangry. If I don't have caffeine, like a coffee or food, oh man, it's over. But on the water fast, you can have. They said that you can have plain black coffee, which I drink. I just drink plain coffee. I don't add any sugar in it. Yeah, electrolytes. I do have electrolyte powder. I take that whenever I feel really dehydrated. Crowbar, yeah. It's pretty tough. I don't know how you can do a 10-day water fast. That's crazy. Nah, that's hard. Yeah, triple four. I only made it to 2 days too. I got really hangry. But I was still working out on those days. Maybe that had a role. I don't know. 10 miles a day, Justin, right? That's crazy. Damn, 10 miles a day. No, that's the most I ran in one run was 6 miles. And I was really sore after that. But then again, I didn't really prep for it. I kind of just went for it. What's up, brother? 10 miles a day, guys? You're like, yeah, that's right. Big old cat.
Order filled.
I'm gonna jump in a short right here. Looking for a gap down to this downside right here. We're only trading 3 micros because we're in a bit of drawdown and we just need some lock in some gains. Nice. Let's see a break right here. Break.
Order filled.
Trim 1 micro right there. This is a very fast trade. Stop loss to break even.
Order filled.
That was a quick scalp, very quick 20 points. Very, very quick 20 points. I like how we were literally just casually talking about running and water fasting, then we were just up 20 points in like 10 seconds. I'll take it. Oh, no, Letty, dude, those mailmen, the USPS workers and UPS, man, FedEx, any type of, dude, they're putting in work. They're walking a lot, man. I'm watching them, I'm like, gosh, because we have the same mailman, and I talked to them, they're all very nice and cool. Dude, they walk like all the time, dude. They're all in great shape. 6 days a week, Lefty, dude, you're literally getting paid to work out, man. You're literally getting paid. That's sick. What's up, Kev? What's up, brother? Yeah, intermittent fasting. I used to do intermittent fasting where I would literally have my first meal at like 4 p.m. And I would have really, really good workouts. I would work out around like 1, 2 o'clock. And I would still have really good workouts while fasting. Like, I would have my first meal right after the workout. And I just drink water and just coffee in the morning. Oh yeah, and Geeka, yeah, we're saving it. We're trying to save it. Tulian, this is a $2 account. Yeah, this is a pro account. Yeah. Triple four, we gotta get those payouts, man. Lock in, brother. Traders for life. You're rethinking everything. You're like, dude, if these ladies can hike up this mountain really quick, passing me, why can't I? You're like, this is ridiculous. And then it just makes you more motivated to work harder. All right, that's a nice break. The reason I got out there because this was a bounce area, guys. So That's why I just took the full exit, especially since we're on a losing streak. I'm not gonna be greedy. Oh yeah, M5, you lose a lot of weight too in the warehouse. You're constantly moving, bro. Yeah, it's a good workout. It's just like, what is it? It's like activity that you're like just constantly moving and doing stuff. It's really good for your body. And really good for your like mental stability and all that. Sub K33, only one trade. 20 points. Well, middle, if you haven't used any discounts, with code Casinator, you get 50% off for 2 uses on the Pro or Flex, and then after that, you get 40% off for 5 uses. It ends at the end of the month. So, really good deal with the Flex account. You can get a Flex account with my code for $65. No activation fee. That is extremely cheap for a 50K account. Man, what's up, Tushar? What's up, Micro Man? Dude, I love that name. We're trading micros, Tushar. Doing good, brother. How you doing, man? Beyond limits, we need to go full throttle. Yeah, attack. We gotta end this losing streak. Hey, Beyond Limits, our first trade, we didn't get stopped out, man. You notice that? Hey, maybe that's a good sign, man. Guys, the last, like, what, 3 weeks we've been getting stopped out on our first trade, and some of them ran over, like, 50, 100 points. Gosh, I was like, oh my gosh. Alright, this is a big gap to the downside that's forming right here. I mean, this is a big move to the downside right here. This is a big gap. These are big candles, guys, so do not be fooled. Yeah, I wish I held, but I mean, like I said, I'm not going to be greedy. Because this was a bounce area, so I thought that was a nice full exit. But yeah, imagine we held. We could have done an add-on right here. And then had this big room down. Nice, M5. Yeah, dude, 12 pounds, 13 pounds is a lot, man. Right now, I'm 174. I'm 174 right now. I'm hard stuck right here, but I really think it's to do with my diet, honestly. I haven't been eating the best. And then when I went from like 190 to 174, like lost 15 pounds, I was working out and walking 10K steps a day, but I wasn't eating a lot of carbs. I was just eating like straight protein. And I lost a lot of weight doing that pretty quick. Tushar, man, I mean, you're up $500 in Asia session. That's good, man. I'd probably maybe lock out, honestly. Maybe. It's up to you, Tushar, and how you're feeling and everything. Yeah. We close the trade early, and then it just runs over 200 points, and we're just like, are you serious? Alex, yeah. That's why I was like, especially on a losing streak, an extra $130. Because we only had $260 left. That's not a lot. That's really low. But you know what else is not a lot, guys? $2. $2 we saved this account and got $2 grand in payouts with it. And he's still alive. He's still fighting. This champion has been rocked, punched in the face, kicked in the balls. He's still going. He's still fighting. He's going for all the glory. He's still alive. M5, yeah, that would be a nice bulk. M5, just eat like more food, more carbs, lift weights 6 days a week, man. Push, pull legs, stuff like that. That would be pretty good, M5. Maybe. Well, okay. We're on a 5-day losing streak with this account, guys. 5 days. It's kind of bad. Do we just lock out the $130 so we can end the losing day, the 5-day streak, and just work on the challenges? Because, I mean, $130 is also not a lot. So that's what I'm thinking. But it's better than nothing. $130 is better than losing $130. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? We should just go to challenges. Yeah, low-key, guys. Low-key. Low key, guys. Rather be safe than sorry. Yeah, you're right. Yep. We gotta lock in. This is low-key an entry right now. Yeah, I think we gotta lock in. Yeah, you guys are right. Yep. Yeah, we're locking. We're gonna lock in the funded account. We're only up 130 bucks. Nothing crazy. But like I said, we're on a 5-day losing streak, so it's nice to get a little momentum back. And we got to work on these challenges. We have 1,080 left. Yeah, because if we get the 5 funded again, we can get 5 cash ATMs again. And then, you know, that'll be a nice progress. Traders for life, that's still a win, man. I mean, you passed the account and you still have that Lucid eval alive, so I would say that's still a win, really. Especially if you followed your rules. 10:30. Thank you, Vlad. Thank you for telling me. Yeah, M5. Yeah, I think we gotta lock in. We gotta lock in, guys. We gotta lock in. Lock in. Damn, we have absolutely no news tomorrow. No news. Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump. 40. Czar Trader. Psst, 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 psst. Okay, well, good thing we locked out right there. I think that was a nice full exit. Even though it ran down an extra 30 points, who cares? We locked in a quick scalp. We would have got stopped out right there if we were still in that trade. We've been seeing aggressive pullbacks, so yeah, screw this holding crap. We just gotta scalp this shit. Hey, Bearish. I know you, Bearish. What up, Bearish? Bearish, you should change your name to Bullish. Bullish. Yeah, we gotta lock in, guys. Gotta lock in. No, we've been seeing aggressive pullbacks recently, like too aggressive. I mean, yeah, look, we would have got stopped out right there. Ah. Oh man, we are dodging cats right now. They got the zoomies, they're chasing each other. Oh yeah, Bullish. Yeah, it happens. Dude, I might have a reel for you tonight then. I might have a reel for you today, Bullish. I'm gonna call you Bullish. It's like a flashback. Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Let me see. A sneak preview. The cats are going freaking crazy. Yeah, change it to Bullish. Guys. This is literally how it feels. You're just like, oh my gosh. Here we go again, guys. Oh man. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Dude, there was times where I was like so close to passing the challenge, man. I was so close to passing. Like, yeah, literally, I was $100 away from passing. And then I went up on a losing streak, and I was like, what the? I was like, I was like scratching my head. I was like, Casey, you freaking idiot! What are you doing? I was screaming at the computer like, $100, $100. All I needed was $100. Oh man, dude, it is so tilting because you're literally right there, and now you have to go through the whole damn challenges again. It's so annoying. Hey, Clarence, congratulations, guys. That was one of the giveaway winners, Clarence. Hey, you passed the account, man, so hopefully you get into payouts, man. That'd be freaking awesome. People that won the giveaways have, what is it? They passed the account, but I'm not sure if anyone made it to payout yet. So, dude, that'd be freaking sick. Oh, man, push. Unpassed Tulian. Tulian, do you still have the account alive, man? Dude, boy, oh my god. Dude, when that happened to me, I was so tilted. I was so tilted. I was literally yelling at the computer. I was like, I just needed $100 more. Are you freaking serious? Oh, man. It happens, man. That is the most... You're like, how could this happen? But it happens all the time. It's also like when people have a payout locked in and they're like, they want a little more or they want to build a buffer, you know what I'm saying? And then they keep trading and end up going on tilt and blowing the account. That happened to me before. Oh, man, I'm like... That is more tilting because you had money locked in. Thank you, Clarence. Hope you get a payout, man. That'll be sick. No. No. That one is the tilting is like when you're about to pass a challenge and you blow it. But then the more tilting is when you had a payout locked in and then you blow it. Oh my gosh. Massive tilt. Screaming, what the heck? This is bullshit. The market makers are watching me. They're hunting my stops, guys. They're hunting my stops. Oh my god, Clarence. Yeah, also that one is like when you're up like $953 and you're like, oh, I gotta make $47 more to make $1,000. And then you end up losing like 500 more. Yeah, I'm like, no, I can't do that anymore. Tulian, I've been there numerous times, man. Guys, I've been there numerous times where I'm like, you're on bad shit tilt, going crazy, not thinking correctly, fists are clenched, you're just looking around, pissed off. Then I realized like it's not good, and I haven't gone on like bad tilt in a long time. So yeah, it's bad. Guys, you gotta realize like it's not worth it in the long run. Just I've gotten a lot better at it, but it's definitely gonna need to work on. Yeah, Blues. Yeah, they're hunting our stops, guys. They're hunting our stops. Nice, M5, lock in, brother. Oh yeah, Clarence, I know what you're saying. Yeah, we're just trying to get to that even number for like some reason. I don't know. Shield fan. Man, yeah, I've been there, man. It's tilting, bro. It's back to the gulag. Yes, I did buy more accounts, guys. Yes. Oh man, it's bad. It's bad. But guess what? We've all been there. We've all been there. So If you guys are thinking it can't happen, you know, anything can happen in the markets, literally. So be cautious, guys. Be cautious. Learn from our mistakes, everyone. Learn from our mistakes. It is not worth it. Maybe M5, but I'm always rocking the 50Ks. There's nothing wrong with the 25Ks, but I might in the future. Maybe. We'll see. Hey, what's up, Rich? What's up, brother? How you doing? Yeah, guys, learn from our mistakes. We're saying these things for a reason, so you guys don't repeat the same mistakes ourselves. Bullish? Yeah, I mean, I never traded YM, but yeah, other people are doing good on that. What's up, Cat Adventure? How you doing? Yeah, M5, it's smaller profit target. They're cheaper to pass. MyFundedFutures just came out with a rapid plan 25K. Yeah. They got the rapid 25K now. Wait, that's actually... Profit target is $1,500. Max drawdown is $1,000. Funded rules. It's trailing drawdown. Same thing as the take profit trader. Dude, so you can request anything over $1,100 on the 25K rapid account. Payouts on day one. Minimum payout's $500 though, so you need a $1,600 balance. That's not bad. 90-10 split. Guys, 25K rapid. See you tomorrow, Tradion. God bless. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Have a good one. Turtle Power? Nah, Bay Area. Mr. Golden Peanut? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look, now we're coming right back to the downside, guys. Very interesting price action right here. Yeah, we've been seeing a lot of reversals and fake outs, so you guys gotta be careful, guys. These definitely markets you gotta get used to. Youngin, you can have 5 copy traded with MyFundedFutures on the 25 or 50K rapids. Oh yeah, Rich, it's very rough. It's very rough. But if you're a good, consistent, disciplined trader and can get around it, it stops once you hit the buffer, which is nice. To the downside. And Geeka, yeah, they're actually better than the take profit trader now that I'm looking at them because you can pass in 2 days. They're a 90-10 profit split. And yeah, no activation fee, so it's pretty nice. Guys, the rapid accounts are literally the same thing with take profit trader. Literally the same thing. But you get an extra 10% in your pocket, which adds up a lot. And you can pass in 2 days. So we were always talking about how you had to trade 5 days, which is annoying. You can literally pass in 2 days, which is nice. Oh, Alex, yeah, we gotta get the trend line course going. We gotta get the trend line course. Yeah, it is M5. Gotta be very tricky. I mean, look at this. Big reversals back up here. Bullish, yeah, you can copy trade 5 accounts on 25 or 50K accounts. The bigger accounts, you can only copy trade 3. But yeah, bullish, you can do that. I mean, you can have 5 25K accounts, 5 50K. You guys can have 5 cash ATMs, but yeah, MyFundedFutures rapid. Sorry to hear that, Anti-Man, man. It sucks, man, but it's just part of trading, man. It happens. Ani, yeah, you do have an extra little buffer, which is nice. I think they had the really nice 25K accounts because of the buffer. You have extra money to work with. Yeah, Tommy, that is, I don't even know how that's legal. That's what fast track trading did. Turtle Power, I've always lived here my whole life. I like it here. I got family here. I like it here. So, that's pretty much it. I like it here. Yeah, it's more expensive and the laws and shit, but I still like where I live. It's pretty chill. It's very scenic. Very nice. Youngin, yeah, you can only have 150k 3 accounts. 3 at 100 or 150k accounts. But you cannot have 5 flex 50ks anymore. They got rid of that. So on the flex plan, they said that you can only have 3 of the 50ks, which makes it a little more confusing, honestly. But they said too many people were blowing the accounts, and like a lot of people were just churning and burning. They did like a call this morning. I only listened to a little bit of it. Yeah, I think they restricted gold, but before, I think you could just message a support team and they'll enable it for you because they just need to enable it. But I think recently with the volatility, I think you're not allowed to trade gold, or there's a restrictive amount you could trade on gold. I'm not sure with MyFundedFutures. It's one of those two. Bullish. In the Bay Area, generally a rent for like apartment studio, generally like, depends where you're at, but around $2,500 to $3,000 a month. Depends where you are and how big the space is, obviously. But generally in the Bay Area, rent is $2,500 to $3,000. Oh no, Tommy, she's very supportive. Very supportive. She's been very supportive with me through any business I did. I did a few other businesses. She was very supportive in all of them. The day trading, she's still very supportive. And yeah, so I love that. Same with my family. They're all very supportive and want to see me succeed and grow. So, love all of them for that. Like, my mom watches my live streams from the Philippines right now. She's in the Philippines. And then my dad watches my videos. He doesn't watch the live streams, but he watches, like, the other videos. Like, the vlogs from Virginia. He's in Virginia. It's pretty sick. Yeah, so, yeah, my family's always been very supportive in anything I do. So, I'm very blessed for that. Nice anti-man, man. Yeah, lock in, man. You just need one winning day, you can get a payout, so. Good job, man. Just lock in, be disciplined. Yeah, Alex, yeah, I'm very blessed, man. It's awesome. Yeah, Austin, I was doing really well in the beginning of the month. I got like 1,500 in payouts after the fees with this one account. And then, yeah, the last 2 weeks have been pretty rough. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, Cat Adventure. Yeah, because I didn't tell them I day traded at first. Because I would have the thoughts of them, you know, saying, oh, don't do that, Casey, that's gambling, don't get into that stuff. But, and I didn't tell them for like over a year or two, I think. And then they're like, what are you doing? Because I stopped really doing the shoe business. And I was like, oh, frick it. You know, I didn't want to say I'm just sitting around all day. I was like, oh, I day trade. Oh, really? And then blah, 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 blah. Then I got into there. And they're all very supportive, so I'm very blessed with that. So I'm glad they didn't go like, oh, don't do that, Casey. That's so stupid. Are you crazy? That's gambling. Don't do that. That's literally like everyone else, though. So I'm like, that's why I try not to tell anyone I day trade. I hate telling people I day trade. I don't like it. I try not to. Guys, if you guys want less stress in your life, just don't tell anyone you day trade, honestly. Yeah, Alex, it's very nice. Yeah, no pressure in a scenario. It definitely is more stressful doing this full time, I'll be honest, but I think it's worth it. Anti-man, man, I think you only need 150, brother. Yeah, you just get 150. Just get the winning day and lock in, get the payout, and get your money and get out, anti-man, man. Yeah, the war is messing a lot of price action. Daly City, yeah, a lot of Filipinos are in the Bay Area, yeah. Particularly Daly City, a lot of Asians. San Francisco. Steve, yeah, they have trailing drawdown. It's the same thing as the take profit trader, Steve. So it stops once you hit the buffer. But that's the takeaway for the daily payouts. What's up, Michael? I haven't seen you in a while, brother. How you doing? Yeah, we just took one trade. One short, 20 points. Nothing crazy. Dabda, yeah, and then they just think you're like, when you tell people you day trade, they think it's a scam or it's gambling, or they think that you're just like money hungry or something and just care about money and all that shit. I don't like telling people I day trade, so I still haven't figured out a good way of saying. We talked about it numerous times on stream. I still haven't. Sometimes I just tell people I'm like, I don't know, I'm unemployed or something. I don't know. I don't like telling strangers now I day trade. I don't know. It was so funny. I was joking around, and then cause we're having like a friends night and playing games, like board games, and then I met a person for the first time, and he was like, "Oh, what do you do for a?" Because he works at a coffee shop. He's a barista, and I was like talking to him. I was like, "Oh," he's like, "Oh, what do you do for a living?" And the other people at the table knew what I do already. And then I was like, "Oh, I don't know." And I looked at my girlfriend. I was like, "I don't know. I do online cam stuff." He's like, everyone's like, "Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa!" And I'm like, "Not like that. I mean, this is online, and this is like, you know, we got the webcam right here." And then I basically just said, "Oh, I just live stream day trading and stuff." And then he's like, "Oh, that's pretty cool." I don't know. It's just weird. Well, we're getting a big sell-off right here. Online cam stuff is crazy work. I mean, we literally are trading online, and we got the cam going right now. This is literally online cam stuff. We're not lying. It just sounds super sus. Sounds extremely sus, actually. Yeah, he's like, "Oh my gosh. Online cam stuff, what is this guy on?" Whoa, 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 what's going on here, chat? Chat, what's going on? Guys, we're getting very off topic here. No, so I'm like, yeah, I just day trade and live stream. Guys, when people ask you what you do for a living, just say you do online cam stuff. Yeah, I record my trades and day trade online. Yeah. Online cam stuff. They're like, "Whoa, whoa, whoa, what's going on here?" Oh my, yeah. Guys, the OnlyFans is link in my bio. For you guys who haven't checked it out, it's link in my description right here. You're 10% off of code Casinator. Dude, online cam stuff is crazy work. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm not lying. I mean, we are doing online camp stuff right here. I'm live streaming right now. This is live, guys. This is literally live. Oh man. Yeah, what's a cool way of saying I day trade? I'm a max allocated trader with Michael Patak. That's my boss. Oh my gosh. I'm a certified funded trader, guys. We can literally just say like random stuff. But that's not random, it's literally true. Oh my god. See, I'm a self-contract. Guys, remember, we're an independent contractor. So now they think we're a hitman. You can make this stuff sound like very vague. Like, they're like, what do you mean an independent contractor? You're like, I'm an independent contractor. If you need a contract done, just give it to me and I'll see what I can do. Yeah. You gotta do it with the Giga Chad. Yeah. I'm a top tier financial independent contractor. Yeah. I'm a certified contractor, guys. Whoa. Oh, you guys are funny. Oh yeah, guys, yeah, I'm a Polygon. Independent Polygon trade. Guys, we cannot forget the Polygons. Dude, bullish, that's actually smart. Guys, I should just get a funded certificate and just have it in my wallet. Everywhere you go, oh, what do you do for a living? Oh, you know, just certified funded trader. Hey, get out of here. Get rid of this Polygon. Guys, remember, we're a Polygon, guys. Drawing shapes. Uh-huh. Polygon. Yep. You guys see this? Hey. Get out of here. Get off me. Get it off. There we go. Uh-huh. You guys see what I'm doing? You guys see this? Wow. Dude, this is nice. Yeah, so with the Polygon retracement, with this correlation in price action, we could see a sharp knife down to the downside and make a new low, guys. We could see a new low. Let's see if this Polygon will work. Yeah, this is the Polygon strat. You guys see this? Boom, 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 kaboom. Full TP smack. We're done. And we're done. Hey, what's up, Kokochi? Yeah. Guys, it means that we need to go short. With the Polygon, guys, we need to go short. We need to go short. 100% win rate. No money back guaranteed. No money back guaranteed. Alright, this was a big bounce area and it's kind of breaking it right now. Right here. This was bouncing here a lot. So if we close below that, get a 5-minute close especially, that could be a big gap down. Yes. Hey, what's up, Zach? What's up, brother? Yeah, the orange man. Isn't he speaking in 20 minutes? I think he's speaking in 20 minutes, yeah, Trump. Joshua. Boom, boom, bam, beat it bop, boom, to the downside. Full TP, we're done. You got it. When you guys are explaining it, you guys sound and look really confident. Like, guys, if I had like a doctor's outfit on and I was saying like random stuff about health stuff that was not true, I guarantee, and I posted videos online, I guarantee you people would literally fall for it. I'm not even joking. Guys, I'm literally some guy on YouTube. Literally. I could be anybody. I could be an independent contractor for all I know. I don't know. What's up, Jones? Yeah, how you doing, Zach? Haven't seen you in a while, man. These ones are challenges. We still have that $2 account, man. Guys, this is the $2 account. He's got $400 left. Boom, bam, bam, beat it, bop, boom, to the downside. Dude, I think Tory Trade's course is around $6,000. You know what's crazy? A lot of dudes are simping and like buying that shit because she's a female. I guarantee you probably like half the people wouldn't have bought it if it was a dude. I'm just being straight up honest. A lot of people are simping and they're thinking that they can like hit it or something. I'm just being honest. Some dude made a video of making fun of her, and then some dude in the comments was like protecting her and like defending her. And the guy commented back, he's like, bro, she's not gonna let you hit, bro. Relax. I was like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Trump, I don't know. He could literally say anything. He's very powerful with these markets. Yeah. What's up, Karthik? Holly in, no. No, he's still alive, guys. That $2 account, he's winning. He's hungry. He wants more. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but I'm just saying the truth. I'm literally saying the truth. Who's buying $6,000 for a course about trend lines? Guys, what the heck? That will be $6,000, guys. Cash, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, check, crypto, wire. $6,000. Thank you. Guys, watch this. To the downside, following the trend line. We gotta make it nice and pretty. We gotta make it purple and shit. Boom, ba, bam, bida, ba, boom. Polygon course. Yeah, the Polygon course doesn't happen as often, but when it does, it's nice. Yeah, he's gonna skyrocket. Sometimes the cat will rub his head on the monitor. That will be $6,000, guys. $6,000. Oh yeah, Alex. I mean, she got money. I mean, she just bought what, a $500,000 car. Nah, I cannot do that. $500,000 for a car. Guys, think about it. You could buy in California. You could probably get 2 down payments on a houses. So you get 2 down payments on a house. Yeah, down payment on a house in California. What, like 200, 250? And that's 2 down payments on 2 houses. You could live at one and just rent out the other one. Show the cat. The big cat. He's laying right there. He's chilling. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Let's see if it respects the trend line. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, do not worry. The trend line is still in effect. We just got to readjust the angle right here. Yep. Yep. Looking good to me. $6,000 is crazy. You know, people are actually paying that. My gosh, $6,000? Bro, I seen some dudes' courses for like 500 to 1,000. I'm like, dude, that's kind of a lot. But then there's those other big guys that are selling them for like 5, 10 grand a course. Just for the course. Not like mentorship or anything. Literally just a course. 5 racks, guys. Guys, it's respecting the trend line right here. It's actually respecting the trend line. Oh my gosh. Dude, we found a new winning strat. It's actually closing below it. The cat indicator does not lie, guys. The cat... Look at the cat. The cat indicator right here, guys. We need Ani on deck with the cat drawing. How do you draw a cat? And that's his paw. I can't draw. No, Zach, yeah, they live off people buying their courses and mentorships and also their WAP memberships. They all have WAP memberships, the monthly Discord, the live signals. Ben 10. $4,000. Dude, TJR didn't make a response. He didn't even acknowledge that Ayman dropped the video. Dude, TJR's videos are getting so many dislikes. So many dislikes. He still hasn't said what's made a response. TJR trades. Yeah, his latest videos are getting so many dislikes. Yeah, like the dislike to the like ratio is really bad. Oh, Zach, I used to trade with the 9 EMA. I actually did used to trade with it. It's not bad. I used to trade with the 9 and 20. Right here. Ooh, guys. Guys, it is closing below the EMAs. I do like that. And it's... Imagine, guys, we use the EMAs with the cat and the trend line. Yep. That's it. Maybe rich, yeah. Probably. Alex, yeah, I mean, yeah. But you know what's crazy? People will literally still buy that stuff. That's the sad part. People will still buy and believe. I don't know why. Turtle soup? Guys, you guys want turtle soup? Turtle. Wow, we're really even on the polls. I didn't even look at the polls. We're basically 33% each. Bullish, bearish, and rangish. That's actually really even. That is very even. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, they're making bank. He doesn't even post trading content anymore. He just posted like the brain rot that the younger generation likes. But some of his videos, I was laughing. I was like, oh my god, this is so stupid. But it's like, it's pretty funny at the same time. No, he's really good at what he does, and he's really great at content creation. That's what he's really, really good at. Trading is like his like background. You know what I'm saying? Because he's with all the other big streamers and all that now. Like an influencer. Oh my gosh, this is playing out perfectly. Alright, let's see where this 5 minute wants to close. See if it still wants to follow the trend line. Yeah, he has like what? Kiltech? Kiltech brand? Something like that. No, he's making a lot of money. He's making a lot of money. Not including like the brand deals and everything. I'm really curious to know, because he promotes Alpha Futures and I think Tradeify. I'm wondering if they have a contract deal with him. Because I only see, those are the only two prop firms I see him promote, I think. I'm pretty sure Tradeify, but I know for sure Alpha Futures. I wonder if they're like giving him like an actual contract to promote. Because then he's making a bunch more money with that. Probably. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a stab short. Mr. Stab. Stab. Follow the trend line, guys. Follow the trend line. Follow the trend line. These are challenges. These are 5 challenges. To the downside, guys. We need to go down. We gotta be wary. Look, you gotta get out soon, because I think Trump is speaking in 8 minutes, yeah? I would like to be out before then. So looking for a quick scalp. Back to the gulag. We're up 12 points. Dude, I haven't done burpees in a while. Burpees is a really good exercise. I mean, if you make that amount consistently, finance and chill, yeah. They'll pay you out. But if you're consistently doing that, they'll probably move you to live. I mean, but they have a good live program. We're kind of just stalling right here. At our peak, we're only up 12 points. Hey, what's up, Perp? What's up, brother? How you been? I haven't seen you in a while, man. How you doing? Yeah, I like to see you guys come back to the streams. It's nice. I remember you guys. I remember your names or your usernames or your profile pictures. I remember, guys. I got one brain cell, but this brain cell knows how to work. Yeah, I low-key might want to get out soon, honestly. It's stalling too much, and I think he's going to speak soon. We do have a new 5 minute and 15 seconds. Yeah, low-key might get out soon. New 5 minute right here. To the downside, guys. Follow the trend line. Follow the trend line. Yeah, I got one brain cell, guys, but I know how to use it. No, you can't lay there, buddy. He's trying to lay on the power switch. I don't like him laying there. I love him, Poncho, but he can lay here all he wants. He cannot lay on the power switch. Hey, bless you. Jeez. My gosh. Bless you.
Order filled.
10 points. Nothing. Hey, you know what? A small win. Guys, we're not going to be... Hold on. He's trying to go there. Get out of there. He went around the other way. He jumped around. Yeah, because Trump's speaking soon, and we're getting a lot of hesitation. You know, yeah, 10 points is 10 points. Screw the damn trend line, guys. Guys, imagine paying $6,000 for that. $6,000. Good, Mira. How you doing? I haven't seen you in a while as well. Yeah. In the green. Yeah. Middle. I think we might have to, guys. We low-key might start trading the trend line. So I look at some people, like, this is kind of getting confusing to me. Well, not too much, but when I look at some traders' charts, I'm like, I'm like looking at it, I'm like there is so much going on. I'm like, how do you do that? It's like so much stuff, and it, like, sometimes it'll give me a headache. How's the mic? The camera. The camera has been moved. Is it better? Yeah, that's better. That's good. It's looking nice. Yeah, I'm looking at some of these dudes' charts, and I'm like, it's literally giving me a headache. I'm like, I don't understand. If it works for them and they're doing good, like 100% keep using, but some of them I'm just like, what the heck? There's so many colors and everything, too. The EMA, guys. The EMA. I like the purple. We have a purple mouse cursor right here. I've always had that. Guys, if you guys didn't know, when I first started the day trading channel, my dream car was a purple Lamborghini Urus. That would be cool, but lately, as of right now in my life, obviously, I don't have that type of money, if I'm being honest. But realistically, even if I had that money, I wouldn't buy that car. Like, if I had FU money, right now in my life, I wouldn't buy it. Really. Analysis paralysis. Yes. M5, yes. Analysis paralysis. Joshua, I don't know, maybe. But yeah, like some of them I'm like, they have like 5-10 monitors, and then their screens have like so many like colors, charts, and numbers, and I'm just like, I'm literally looking at it like, what the heck? I'm like, how do you trade like that? Like, you can trade really well with 2 monitors. Like, yeah, you could have your main charting right here, maybe like trading view or like order flow or whatever you use on this one. Because I have a vertical monitor right here. I can read the chat and everything and look at other stuff. So I think 2 monitors is pretty well. And then 3 monitors, like maybe you could have like one right here, like above this monitor. So you could be like, yes. I don't know, John. Someone said that he was going to speak at 10:30, so we'll see. Tommy, yeah, Take Profit Trader has been taking heat lately. They changed drastically. Everyone loved them, and I love them because they just stuck to their rules and stuck to themselves and stayed in their own lane. But now they've been changing a lot. So I don't know what's going on with them. It's kind of sad to see, honestly, because I like that firm. I mean, we're still trading with them. Yeah, I think 3 monitors would be like max. I mean, you could have your main one, maybe like some other trading view charting, and then like whatever up here or right here. 3 seconds. That was very anticlimactic. Anticlimactic. Live, Mr. Trump speaking live.
Get them out. We know where they all are.
Is this live? No, this looks like a past broadcast. We've been scammed. Excuse me, guys. I got like bad cough with these allergies recently. Yeah. Well, yeah, 2 monitors I think is fine. When I was trading like with the laptop though, I was actually like with just the laptop when I was like on a like vacation, like when I went to Vegas and I was trading on my MyFundedFutures live account, man. I was really dialed in, focused. Like I was literally just staring at that one screen, and I didn't have this screen as a distraction. I was like really dialed in. I was taking good trades. And even when I used to go to coffee shops and trade, just my MacBook, I was banging some trades. Yeah, they've been changing recently. I mean, they just randomly got rid of a bunch of affiliates. That's not a good look. The hedging violation emails, which is fine. That's good that they're getting rid of bad actors. But I don't know. People are saying they're taking longer with payouts. I don't know. Elkin. Yeah, I hope it's nothing wrong, man. Cause yeah, you got a live account with them, yeah. Mira, just call it a day. It's been really rough the last 2 weeks, particularly with all the war news and all that. Well, good thing we got out that trade, guys. We would have got stopped out right there. Yeah, I think 2 monitors is pretty solid. I mean, I use 2 monitors. I just have a horizontal one right here, and then I got a vertical one right here. I really like the vertical one. Yeah, it's, I mean, when they have like people can have 5, 5 copy traded 8 cash ATMs, daily payouts. I mean, some people are just ripping it all in because there's no consistency rule in the funded, and You know, I mean, 5 accounts, you know, people can be getting like 10, 20, 30, 40 grand payouts in a day. Which is, it's a lot of money. But they've been around that model for a while, so I don't know, it's kind of weird seeing them like that. Nice, perp. Yeah, some people use the curve monitors. I never got into them, the curve monitors. But some people like it. Do you like it, perp? The curve monitors? I never tried them. I just have flat ones. Well, if the flat ones, like this one's a normal flat horizontal, but you can like flip it vertically. So I like this vertical look. I think a vertical one would also look kind of sick right here, but then I'm like, what would I use it for? I don't know. Hey, when I learned order flow, guys, business expense for a new monitor. That's my excuse. Business expense. I needed to see order flow. Yes. Thank you, Michael Patak. 49 curve. You guys like the curve, damn. 49 inches curved. That's 4 feet. 49-inch curved monitor. Sheesh. Yeah, those things are expensive. But they look pretty sick. I mean, that's a big-ass monitor. That's literally like a TV. I mean, you can have like your like separate things, yeah. Like you can have Tradovate on the same monitor and like some other like browsers open, yeah, like YouTube or whatever. Tommy, that'd be freaking nice, Tommy. Yeah, you can work on those payouts, dude. Work on that down payment, man. I mean, your mortgage, bro. Pay off your house, and then, dude, you're debt free. You're debt free, Tommy. You're debt free. Yeah, I don't want to pay more money to lose more money, guys. We gotta get some payouts first. We gotta earn it. We gotta earn it. You see that new bass fishing rod, Casey? Hold off on it now. Gotta get some payouts first. What's up, Curtis? Doing good, man. How you doing? Nice. M5, I like that. That's a good goal, man. Pay off your parents' house. I like that. Nice, Tommy. I mean, M5. Yeah. Is he actually talking? I hope not. I hope not. Nice, Curtis. Yeah, this week has been a little iffy for some people, so that's good you're staying cash, guys. Remember, cash is a position, guys. Cash is a position. Damn, it's kind of bouncing right there. Finance and chill. It depends on your trading style. They're both legit. They both pay out. If you want daily payouts, go with Take Profit Trader. If you're good with the 5 days and then end of day drawdown, go with Top Step. It depends on you, Finance and chill. Like in how you trade. No, Top Step's still legit. They still pay out. They're still a good firm. Curtis, yeah. That's probably the smartest thing to do. You don't want to FOMO in. No FOMO. Dude, it just tapped off the 90 EMA. You guys see that? It just touched the 90 EMA. Thank you, Josh. Okay, he's not speaking. Okay, good. You know what that means, guys? We can trade. We can get our dopamine going, guys. We can trade. I cannot stand trading when Trump speaks. I notice most... And Jerome Powell. I notice... Yeah, I'm probably not going to do any FOMC anymore. I notice I get wrecked on them. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Yeah, M5, they do have outages. Josh, is that PST time zone? PST or Eastern? Well, now we're just kind of playing ping pong right here. Low-key can capitalize on this. I mean, if we take a long right here, a small stop. Guys, do you want to see my stats for the $2 account? You guys want to see my stats for the $2 account? It definitely has some areas to work on. Okay. These are my live stats right now. This is since the beginning of the year. Let me see if you guys can see it. Definitely can improve on stuff. My profit factor, that's good. I mean, we need to get it to more. We have a 50% win rate. We've been on a losing streak recently. Hold on. Let me get rid of this. What is that? The fuck is that? We went on a bad losing streak. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the $2 account, guys. So this has been since January. This account's been alive since January. So we passed the challenges on these 5 accounts. These were 5 accounts right here. This is when we very first started live streaming, January 5th. Nice and steady. We definitely need to work on our losing days. That's why I'm trying to hold my winners longer. My winners need to be bigger than my losers. I need to work on I need to get my win rate up to like 60%, honestly. Because I notice I average like 55 to 65% win rate. So 50% is pretty low. I need to work on that. And then this week, yeah, last week we went on a bad losing streak. I didn't even trade this account on Friday. This is not including fees. I didn't add the commission and fees on this one. But day win percentage, 52%. We definitely need to work on that. Average win loss, we definitely need to work on. We need to get to like a 2 to 1, honestly. Trade win percentage, profit factor. We have a profit factor 1.4. Okay, we need to work on our day win percentage and our average win loss. We need to get this to like a 2.0. Because we're only averaging 1.3, which is not too bad. So, yeah, we definitely could work on it, but not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, the fact that we have that account alive since January, I'm pretty happy with. And it's still going strong, guys. Still going strong. Yeah, Josh. Yeah, we're averaging like what 1 to 2 trades on like winning days, and then yeah, my losing days are like 3+. So it's if we learn to like, hey, maybe we lost our first 2 trades, maybe we should not take a third one. Sanes guy, is there anything new going on with them? Like, because yeah, I've heard recently what they've been doing. I mean, they got rid of me and stuff. It's kind of weird. Thank you, Shinofan. I think, honestly, yeah, I really do think that Shinofan, the order flow would work really well with my strategy, honestly, and make me take unnecessary losses and stuff. Josh, yeah, I'm trying to learn it. I keep saying that. I know that's on me. I'm taking accountability. I have not put in the time to learn it yet. I do need to put in the time to learn it. I should do that on the weekend, yeah. No, you guys are right. I think volume profile and order flow, yeah, I think it would work really well with my trading style, honestly. Well, Saints guy, no, a lot of people got banned. Well, not a lot. Like they said, only like 270 people got banned or something because they are violating the rules. But you're allowed to copy trade, but it's like you cannot hedge, guys. You're not allowed to hedge with any prop firm. You can't hedge, guys. Nice, Clarence. Josh, I actually do need to work on that. I actually really think that'd be actually kind of sick if we have a trading monitor here, the chat right here, and then another monitor, business expense.
Order filled.
We're taking a long here. Take a stab long. Looking for it to pop right back in the range. We're gonna have a tighter stop. I think I do really well with my strategy, honestly, and how I trade. But I keep saying that, but like I said, I'm taking accountability. I have not put in the time to learn it. That's on me. 100% my fault. Gotta take accountability to learn and grow as a person. Oh, I don't do any hedging or botting or any of that crap. I mean, every single trade I taken live on the Take Profit Trader this year. Every single trade on the challenges and funded. Every single trade. So I don't do any of that weird stuff. Weird illegal activities. Fraudulent activity, guys. We do not do any fraudulent activities here. That is illegal, guys. No bueno. You're going to get banned doing that stuff. Well, I got banned for being a good trader with them. I mean, a good affiliate. What's up with that? What are the odds of that, huh? All the botters and schemers can keep promoting them. The gamblers. But a disciplined trader, they get wrecked. Guys, hedging is basically where you're going long on one account and short on the other, so one's basically bound to win. And you can't like hedge out in different markets. You can't do like long on NQ then short on ES, because they move kind of similar. That's hedging, guys. So you can't just do like 2 accounts long, 2 accounts short. You know what I'm saying? Because one's bound to win, and then they're just playing the prop firm game and all that. And you're not allowed to hedge with other traders. Other people are doing that. They're on a phone call, Discord call, whatever. They say, hey, I'm going long right here. You go short. They go same contracts, same number of accounts. And guess what? One's bound to win. And then when that one guy wins, they split the profits. So they keep making money. Not allowed to do that. Not allowed to do that, guys. So that's hedging, guys. You're not allowed to hedge. And you're not allowed to hedge in the live markets either. Like in the real Tradovate and all that, you're not allowed to hedge at all, too. It's illegal. Not allowed to do that. I don't know about Golden NQ, Taiwana. I don't know. You're going to have to message a prop firm about that. I don't know about that. I don't trade gold. So I can't speak on that. Damn, the last 2 trades, we've been stalling so much at my entry. Shino fan, yeah, not a lot of people talk about that too. Is both accounts can still lose. You're right. That is true. So, guys, just don't hedge. Just try to trade legitimately. I know trading's hard, but you shouldn't try to game the system like that. You're just gonna get banned and all that stuff, and then you can't trade with the firm, and that's just a big headache. So, you guys do. You don't go in there in the first place. Just be a good, disciplined trader. Try to get better one day at a time. And that's that. 10 points. We could see a tap up to here, these upper areas, and that's an extra 20 points. 20 points. We have been seeing aggressive pullbacks, so that's why I'm being a little more cautious. There's a lot of people that do that though. They literally go on group calls and they literally hedge. Not allowed, guys. The prop firms can detect that too. I didn't know that hard hat. You can? I didn't know that. I thought you're not allowed to. They're on these group calls, like 20 guys long, 20 guys short. All at the same time, market open. They all get stopped out instantly. Everyone lost. Because of how volatile market open is. No, I guarantee you there's probably groups of people doing that. Like, literally in group calls. So bad. We're just stalling so much right here.
Order filled.
Small trade again, 13 points, very small. It's just stalling way too much, way too much. Oh, Dabda, that's with like literally any... Oh my god, what the Guys, right when I get out, it just rips up what? 40, 50 points? Right when I get out! Man, these market makers are trying to get me pissed off, man. I'll tell you that. Wow. We were stalling for what, like over 5 minutes on that shit? My gosh. Full TP smacked, we're out. What, 20 seconds later? My gosh. Unreal. That's literally the move I was looking for, man. What the fuck? Dude, oh my gosh. We were stalling so much on that trade. Damn. The market makers really want to see us suffer, man. They really... First, they cut out our streams. They stop us out, 100 stops. And now they're making us go on tilt on our winners. Man. What was that? Whatever. Guys, whatever. Can't dwell on it. Whatever. We still profited, what? 13 points on that trade. Whatever. Small win is better than a loss. What the fuck? Guys, we would have been like over $1,000 right now. Whatever. Oh, yeah. In any industry and anything you do, when there's money to be made, there will be like schemers and cheaters. Like literally people, the fishing weights people, they're literally putting fishing weights into fish. Like tungsten weights. So like a 1 ounce weight is like that. And they're putting it in the fish. And then they get caught and it's a felony. And the dude, the last guy got caught cheating on that, like very recently, like last month. He stuck the fish weights. The first place price was 10 grand, guys. 10 grand first place price. He stuffed the weights in the fish. Guess what? He got caught and his bail was set at 25 grand. Congratulations, buddy. You played yourself. What an idiot. How low-life do you have to be trying to cheat in a freaking fishing tournament? And then, since it's over 10 grand, it's a felony. He was in jail and he's going to court and all that. Just to potentially get to first place. And then he has a 25 grand bond. Yeah, that's really smart, buddy. Yeah, literally seconds after. Hey, what's up, Jasmine? Glad to see you back. My gosh. Boom, boom. What are these candles? Are you guys seeing this? Damn. Imagine I held that long. Wow. Wow. I don't know, John. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if Trump is talking or what. He's probably yapping. I don't know what's going on. Moving pretty fast right now. Yeah, that's the question. What's going on, guys? Alright, here's the question. We're up $130. Nothing crazy. Small trade on the funded. We're just keeping it alive. We want to survive. 430 on the challenges. Do we take another trade on the challenges or we call it? What do you guys think? Josh, I know. Yeah. There's all this damn war stuff. Call it. What do you guys think? One more trade or we're done? Call it. Yeah, I think you guys are right. See, this is why I like these live stream guys. You guys help me put me in check. Yeah, because, like, I mean, we're absolutely done on the funded. We just need a winning day. I mean, from $260 to $395, that's a big swing. That's a 50% of the account increase on that one little trade. Yeah, and then, I mean, we're back to basically break even on these challenges. I mean, we get rebuild on April 5th, so I definitely would like to get this done ideally this week, but I mean, we still have 3 days left in the trading week. But if we get close to that rebuild date and these are still live, we would have to start we could have to start applying some pressure, because I do not want to get rebuild. That's $500, $100 each. Yeah, I do not want that. Javier, they're really good. They're really good. It's very like Top Step, Javier. 5 winning days. 90 MA, Zach. Yeah, I think you guys are right. We should call it. Be disciplined. And we do have a new 4 hour in a minute 30. Minute 30. Yeah, because we were on a 5-day losing streak, so I think that it's nice that we lock, even if it's a small winning day. You know, we get a little cushion back, we get a little confidence back. We kind of, you know, like, hey, bad juju, get rid of that losing streak. Hey, bye, adios, afuela, adios, bye. You know, get rid of that bad juju. Yeah, just lock in a small winning day, even though it's small, it's nothing crazy. I mean, like I said, it's nice to get some a little back, get a little confidence back as well. So yeah, guys, I think I'm going to call it right here. Yeah, I think that's a nice stream, honestly. So we took a nice 20-point trade with the Take Profit Trader 3 micros, short. Very quick trade. Very, very quick trade. Very quick 20-point scalp. We're done. This account is a $2 account, guys. This is the $2 account. And then 2 very small trades on the challenges, up 430 bucks. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Yeah. We're going to go work out. Edit videos. I got to work on some more videos. And yeah, do all that fun stuff. Yeah, Josh, take it, man. $7 is a lot on the day, bro. Really. Lock it in. Especially with all this volume picking up. I don't know what this mumbo jumbo is going on here. So yeah. Have a great day, guys. Have a great, blessed day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, so peace out. Have a great day. And thank you guys for all the support as always. God bless. And keep on trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m.